Change in the Constitution?
Yes, I'm in favor of it. I campaigned against it, but not during GMA's term. I will tell the public, I will change the Constitution if I become president. Why? I will tell them where I will want to change.
Saan?
Malinaw sa akin.
Saan?
I will maintain a presidential system, two-party system.
Only?
Only. You have to hit the two-party system para ikaw ang accredited. No? And then finally, is a constitution. I will let, in certain respects, ownership of foreign ownership in business. But if they take the land to speculate, no way. Kailangan within so many years, kailangan nagawa yung pabrika, nagawa yung lahat na yan. We will change the law on no foreign military bases, troops, or facilities. I'm opening myself up here now. Why? Because kung may giyera ba tayo, tatawag ka ng troops sa ibang bansa, tulungan tayo, sandali lang, amend muna namin yung constitution o magtilitin muna tayo. You have no time for that. Kailangan foreign policy must not be shackled.
So you're going to allow the Americans to come back?
No, I did not say that. I just said I just want kung kailangan natin ng tulong, hindi tayo kailangan makipag-treaty ng mabilisan. Kung kailangan, mapapapasok mo yan.
Not to have bases here. Not to be based
not
here.
To be based
I see, okay. Corruption. You said something about corruption.
Corruption eh. Kahit na sino ka pang presidente, pagka ikaw guilty, kulong ka. Kinulong ka na rito, mga pulis. Nanghuli ako ng mga tao na nagluloko.
But how do you solve corruption? I mean, parang...
Lead by example. Kaya nagsisimula yan. May quota ang presidente usually sa customs. May quota sa BIR.
Kaya ba nag-resign si BIR?
Ay, hindi ko sinasabi yan. Ang sinasabi ko lang, pag hindi mo nakukuha yung quota, dahil, alam mo naman ako transactional na society natin. Yung mga tao ko dyan, baka ma-impeach ako, kailangan meron akong pang-bigay dyan.
Are you talking about somebody we know?
Yes, everybody we know. Noong panahon ni Marcos, meron silang tinatawag na yung guidelines. Pag pumunta ka doon, meron. Ginawa rin ni Gloria. Ba't ka magtataka? Yun ang politika natin. Pagbaba ni congressman, pagbaba ni mayor, hihingihan ka eh. Ano ibibigay mo? Magwa-wedding yan. Ano ibibigay mo? Para may wedding. Tapos pati nga, it's the same ball game. Somebody has got to have
somebody has to blow the whistle.
A generational shift. Not blow the whistle. A generational as well as a very timely shift na malaman ng tao, there's a sheriff in town.
Is that you?
Yes, I could do that.
Okay.
No doubt in my mind, I can do that.
Debt problem?
Debt, I would negotiate. I would use all my skills as a lawyer and as somebody that I can commit. I will show you. If I eradicate corruption, if I reduce smuggling, if I reduce all this, bigyan mo ako ng debt reduction. Ako, hindi ako naniniwala na pahingi maawa kayo sa akin. No, I have to show I did it. Pinag-volunteer ko ang tao, pinauta ako ng World Bank agad. Binigyan ako ng grant. Bigay pa nga eh.
Pork barrel.
Well, kailangan ng pork barrel. Abi, kung ikaw nasa probinsya, kung hindi ka malakas, hindi ka kasama sa budget.
Pero,
ang congressman, hinahanapan palagi niyan. Okay sa akin yan, pero accountable ka. Saan mo dinala yan?
Okay.
Publish mo kasama mo dinala. At sino ang contractor? At magkano yung project? Ganun lang naman yan eh. Don't fix the blame. Huwag niyo sisihin. Ay, hanapin natin na solusyon.
hindi. Pero ito pa isa. As president, you'll have power over that pork barrel. And we know na yung presidente ngayon, pag hindi ka gusto, hindi ka kapartido, wala kang pork barrel.
Hindi. Hindi ko gagawin yan. We don't have time to play politics. You only have one term. Dapat kunin mo lahat para sabay-sabay ang marcha.
Foreign trips?
I will travel because I have to sell the country. But I will not travel in big entourages. No congressman unless they're necessary. No governors, no nothing. But I will allow them to travel if they want to, but they have to make a report. When I was in Subic, I could not have brought all this. I could not have brought FedEx. I could not have brought Acer. I went to Taiwan. I went to Subic. I went to Japan. I will be a business-oriented president. I will not sign memorandum of agreement. Kalokohan yan. Wala nangyayari. Ginagawa ng mga lahat ng araw yan. I will bring the business right here. And I will make sure I will invite them. Mahathir used to do that. He will travel in a small jet. He will go to Japan. He will talk to Panasonic. I will protect you there. Panasonic has several hectares right away in Mahathir's
But can't
Malaysia.
GMA say the same thing when she goes? All of the congressmen and all of the her entourage are necessary kasi committee on the chairman of the
No,
Committee on
ginagawa niya
Foreign
lang yun
Relations,
para-
committee on like this.
She's trying to get loyalty from them.
Mindanao, NPA peace process.
Three things. Corruption, number one. Number two, yung gera. Number three, etong bagyo. We all have to be smarter. Ang tagal-tagal na yan eh. Kung nakakausap ko si Albader, sila sa uli sa akin yung tatlo. Nagpunta ako doon sa Mindanao. Kinuha ko yung mga prutas nila. Nakita ko, fruits of hope, ginawa ko. Kinuha ko yung mangustin. 5 piso lang isang pulutong doon, 130 pesos dito. Dinala ko rito. Dito yung mga taga Mindanao. Imbis na gera, dalhin mo doon, isang barko ng Philippine Navy, dalhin mo doon, isang C-130, ito yung balik mo yung prutas. Hanggang masanay na masarap pala yung Mindanao, yung mangustin ng Sulu, yung yung North Cotabato, yung palang mga lanaw, ayusin mo yung Lanao Lake.
Ganun ba kasimple ang Mindanao peace process?
I will act on verba again. 9th Ray. Panag-inib ko pa. Estudyante pa ako. History major ako eh. Bakit 8 provinces lamang? Hindi provinces ang nagrevolusyon. Tao ang nagrevolusyon. Yung Muslim, umpisa pa lang, lapu-lapu na lumaban. Di ba? Ngayon, nasa si lapu-lapu. Hiningi ko sa Koreano, kayo, naging mayaman dahil sa Pilipino, bigyan nyo sa amin yung regalo, katulad ng Statue of Liberty sa New York, na binigay ng France sa New York, bigyan nyo sa amin yung lapu-lapu monument. Muslim from Cebu, Bisaya at Mindanao, Tagalog Christian, Rizal, magkasama sila. The Statues of Liberty of our country. Fruits of Hope, 9th Ray, lahat nilagay ko yun sa bandila para hindi tayo nag-exclude. We include. Para sa ganon, ang tao natin, malinaw na hindi natin ini-include. Nandun na rin sa Mindanao, kailangan raw lagi. No. We're not divisive. Kailangan ibigay natin yan.
Inclusive.
And above all, ipasok mo yung Imagine, sa arm, alam mo naman, yun ang pinakamahirap eh. Bakit? Takot yung mga leader na, suhit-uhin yung mga leader doon na kailangan yung pera umabot sa baba. Pag hindi nyo kayang gawin yan, I will put a military governor there and I will make sure that schools are built. I will make sure that teachers get their professional certificates because right now, hindi makakuha ng examen. Ako pa sumulat kay Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, na senador na ako, napapuntahin mo yung PRC dyan dahil walang voluntary yung mga teachers hindi sumasweldo. Yung kanilang pera sa GSIS, hindi binibigay, binubulsa. Bino mo, ang toilet sa Mindanao, 251 toilets, 251 students to 1 toilet bowl. Excuse me, sa estudyante, talaga magre-revolusyon ka. Sabi mo, maghanap buhay ako, hindi ko maibenta yung aking durian, hindi ko maibenta yung samantalang magpadala ka lang ng barko ng Navy doon, kunin mo, dali mo sa Cebu kagad. Kita na, di ba? Bakit hindi magawa yan?
Population, anong stand mo?
Dapat may responsibilidad ng tao. Madaling sabihin yan. Pero ang aim, unahin mo unang vision mo. Quality population. Kailangan mag-anak ka, kalidad yung anak mo.
Okay.
Therefore, kailangan, pag lumampas ka ng 2, 3 ka na, bayad ka na sa public school. Bayad ka na sa ospital. Wala nang born free.
So you're for the reproductive health bill?
Yes, but I want people to have access to whatever is there, provided it's not going to harm them.
Okay.
In contraceptives.
So free choice?
Choice.
Choice.
Yeah.
Okay.
We need to have choice.
So pwedeng artificial, pwedeng natural?
So long as hindi tinutulak ng gobyerno, ha? Hindi
the government will not push artificial methods?
Basta alam niyan. Pag pumasok sa health, eto, pwede mong gawin para 2 lang anak mo. Dahil babayad ka na pangatlo. Yan.
Okay.
Yan.
So you'll put a cap, like you'll do a China policy?
China, Singapore, lahat yan, pare-pareho yan.
You'll do that?
Oo.
Okay.
No,
Next.
pero hindi cap na huhulihin kita. Pag
Hindi.
lumampas ka, bayad ka. Dito sa hospital namin ng araw, mayroon ko, walang born free. 7 minutes ka magpapakasarap. Pagkatapos 9 months ka maghahanda, tapos sisili mo pa sa gobyerno.
Paano mo naman lalaban 7 minutes?
Di ba may libro na, 7 minutes?
Ganon?
Yeah.
Bayan mo ko sa'yo, 7 minutes ka pala eh. Okay.